First things first, open Photoshop and create a new document with the perfect dimensions for a business card. Set the width to 3.5 inches and height to 2 inches, the standard business card size. But wait, there's more. To ensure high-quality prints, set the resolution to 300 dpi for a crisp and professional finish. Now let's set up some guides to help us align everything perfectly. Head over to the top menu, click on View, and select New Guides. Set both horizontal and vertical guides to 50%. This helps us find the center of the design with ease. But we don't want these guides to move around while designing, right? So go back to View and choose Lock Guides to keep them in place. Now we have a well-structured workspace. Now comes the fun part. Let's create a hexagon, a six-sided geometric shape that will add a modern touch to our design. Select the Polygon tool from the toolbar. At the top menu, change the number of sides to 6. Click and drag to draw the hexagon on your canvas. Great. Now press Ctrl+T to resize and position the hexagon as needed. Right-click on the shape and choose Rasterize Layer to convert it into an editable object. It's time to bring our hexagon to life with some color. Right-click on the hexagon layer and select Blending Options. Choose Color Overlay and click on Color Libraries to explore a wide range of colors. Pick any color that suits your style and hit OK. Looking amazing already, right? But we're just getting started. Now let's add a triangle to enhance the visual appeal of our design. Select the Polygon tool again and change the number of sides to 3 to create a triangle. Draw the triangle, then press Ctrl+T to resize and position it as desired. Right-click and rasterize the triangle layer for editing. Just like before, let's add some colors. Go to Blending Options, Color Overlay, and select the second last color from the palette. Let's create a layered effect by duplicating the triangle and tweaking its size and color. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the triangle. Change its color to the third last shade for contrast. Press Ctrl+T to adjust its size and position. Repeat this process once more. Duplicate the triangle again using Ctrl+J. Change its color and adjust the size and placement. And just like that, we've added depth and dimension to our design, looking fantastic. Now it's time to personalize this business card by adding your brand logo and social media handles. Drag and drop your logo onto the canvas. Resize it and position it neatly within the design. Add text for your social media usernames, using stylish fonts that complement the design. And that's it. You've successfully designed a sleek and professional business card in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing Photoshop tips and tricks. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.